Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can type on images, pictures and photos in your documents on Google Docs. So let us get started. So guys, head over to your document, and as you can see, I added an image like that one here to my example document depicting a dune or some sand in the desert. So if I, for example, try to type my text here into that image, for example, if I skip from that line here above that image to the next line, I won't be able to type into that image because, as you can see, the image will be following or moving along with that text and skipping further down. So what you want to do, guys, is to change it is simply enter that image option. To do that, click onto it with your left mouse, and after that, click into image options or these three dots here below and select all image options from the drop down menu. That is going to open up that panel here on the right hand side. So expand the text wrapping feature and switch from inline with text, which should be the default style, to behind text. After that, click, for example, here on that last line above that image, press enter, and that is going to skip directly into that image. And as you can see now I am able to type here into that image, next line, and so on and so forth. I may press, for example, space to move you into the center of that image, and so on and so forth. So that's how you type text into an image on Google Docs. Hope you enjoyed this video, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.